Today I'm looking at a smartphone gimbal. I ordered this online on TEMU, and you know what? I bought some other ones on the internet, and I think this one is just as good or even better than the one I purchased from a major company, which a lot of us know. So really easy to use, really easy to access, and super convenient. And it works super well. When I was holding it, I was very happy with the functionality of this. It just has so many features. It has tilt and control. It has, once you have the smart app installed, you can zoom back and forth. You can do so many different things with this, and I love the way it's made. So to turn it on, all you do is hit the power button, and then basically sets it up just like that. Real easy. I got my phone right here. Let me get my phone, and I'm going to go to the smart and just download the. It's called the Gimbal Pro. That's the name of the app. Right here, you can see it sets up through Bluetooth. Really easy, and just really nice. I'm just shocked how well this works, and you can see right away is the camera. It's connected to the gimbal. Right to direct, and let's just get this popped on here.
So I want to show you how this looks here. I'm tracking an object. All you do is draw the box around the object, as you can see here, and it actually tracks. It can be any object, which is really good. So it's got smart tracking, excellent software, I must say. Better than anything else, really much better than some of the other ones. You can see how it tracks that. And same thing with the face. You'll just click on face, and it automatically tracks the face, any face. It doesn't really have to draw a box around it. Once you select face, it just right there, it just starts tracking the face. Simple as that. So very easy to move. You can move around. It tracks you. So you can do selfies, you go around, do all kinds of cool stuff. Works fantastic. I absolutely love this item. You can see it just does a really good job tracking the face. Let's get to the video. I want to show you the other stuff. Okay, so now I'm just showing you some actual footage that I shot shooting an apartment, and I just want to show you I'm holding the gimbal and just walking around and demonstrating and actually talking about the features and benefits of this specific apartment. And that's what's really good about a gimbal. You can do these type of shots and not to worry. You don't have to worry about being so stable. It stabilizes you. As you can see, everything is nice and smooth. I shoot everything at ultra wide. That way you get the full footage and just really see everything in its glory, and that's really important. And it really makes this video really look really good, as you can see here. So you can move all around. The gimbal was very responsive and just really worked very, very well. And it wasn't heavy in the hand. It just, you can see the very smooth operation here. And I'm walking around pretty quickly, and I would just get different shots and move quickly, and it would just respond very nicely. So definitely highly recommend if you're looking for a gimbal. This is probably one of the best ones at the price point that I've used. The software you see works fantastic. The responsive just does a great job. So I'll leave a link in the description down below. Check it out. It is the link for TEMU. They do get a small commission just to be transparent. I always very transparent, and I just wanted to show you this product, this gimbal, at a great price. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you at the next video.